This tutorial will show you how to create a basic Pong game in Scratch. So you're going to want to first go over here to the stage and select a backdrop. Okay, you can click on any one that you want, and I've just chosen this water scene. And then you'll need to create two sprites. So there'll be the ball and a paddle of some sort. And also, I forgot to mention on the backdrop, you're going to want to add some sort of a color, a rectangle that will go across the bottom. And if the ball hits that color, then the game will end. Okay, so the way I made that was just to go to rectangle. I picked the color red and then the solid, and then just drew that rectangle across. Okay, so for the sprite that is the ball, you could either, you'll go to costumes, you could either draw it here, right, with the paintbrush, or you can just choose it from the library, which is what I did in this case. And then you'll also need another sprite, which will be a paddle. And so I chose to draw that. And again, just picked a color and the rectangle and solid, and just went and drew, you know, um, a long rectangle like that. Okay, then we need to program each of the two sprites. So for the ball, okay, this section of the code is basically saying that once the flag is clicked, forever you're going to do this while the game is playing. If it's touching sprite 2, which is my paddle, then I'll play a little sound. I will make a random turn and make a move. Okay. And if it is touching the color red, then the game is over. Okay. Now down here, I'm also going to say that when that flag is clicked, okay, this ball is going to go to a certain location and then turn a certain angle, and forever it will bounce off the edge. So this is how it will bounce off of the edges, the sides, and just move forward. Okay, on the paddle, I will just code for it to move left when the left arrow is pressed, and right when the right arrow key is pressed. Um, and I just set the starting point also. So again, you can vary this. You can also make this a lot harder or easier by changing the speed that things move, changing the size of your paddle, and this is what the game will look like. And once that ball hits the red, the game will stop.